It is a beautiful sunny day in Florida. The sky is blue. The sun is warm. The air smells like food. This is the Carter family. They are on holiday. There is a mom. Her name is Linda. There is a dad. His name is Tom. There is a teenager. His name is Sam. He is 14 years old. And there is a little girl. Her name is Mia. She is 6 years old. Today the family is at a big outdoor food festival. There are many people. There are many colors. There is music everywhere. There is food from many different places. Pizza, tacos, ice cream, lemonade. Mia loves the festival. She looks at everything. She listens to everything. She smells everything. Sam looks at his phone. Teenagers often look at their phones. Mom and Dad look at the food. There's so much to choose from. Dad sees a barbecue stand. He wants to try it. Mom holds Mia's hand. But then she opens her bag to find her money. For just 1 second, she lets go. Just 1 second. That is enough. Mia sees something. Not food, not music, not color. A puppy, a small fluffy golden puppy on a lead. Mia loves puppies. Mia loves all puppies. But this puppy is the most beautiful puppy she has ever seen. She walks toward it. Just a few steps. Then a few more. Then the crowd moves. And Mia is gone. Mom turns around. Her hand is empty. Mia is not there. This is a very scary moment for a parent. Meanwhile, Mia is not scared. Not yet. She is still looking for the puppy. But now the puppy is gone too. And so is her family. Mia stops walking. She looks left. She looks right. She looks behind her. Everything looks the same. Crowds, food stalls, music, strangers. Now Mia is scared. She does not cry. She tries to be brave. But her lip is shaking. Not far away, a street performer is watching. His name is Marco. He does magic tricks and balloon animals for people at the festival. Marco sees many things every day. Today, he sees a small girl standing alone. She looks lost. Marco finishes his balloon animal. He gives it to a child. Then, he walks over to Mia. Marco is kind. Marco is calm. Marco is very good with children. He does not rush. He does not shout. He kneels down so he is the same height as Mia. He speaks slowly and clearly. Meanwhile, the Carter family is searching everywhere. Linda is walking fast. Tom is asking people questions. Sam has put his phone away. He is helping now. They search the food stalls. They search the music area. They search near the entrance. Nothing. Tom finds a festival worker. The worker uses a radio. An announcement goes out across the whole festival. Mia hears her name. She looks up. She knows that voice. That is the festival speaker. That means her family is looking for her. Marco hears it too. He smiles. He knows what to do. He takes Mia to the information point. It is a small tent near the entrance with a big sign that says help. The family runs to the information point. And there is Mia, sitting on a chair, eating a balloon animal. Actually, she is not eating it. She is holding it. It is a dog, a balloon dog. The family runs to her. This is a very happy moment. After the hugs and the tears, everyone sits down together. Tom buys food for everyone, even Marco. They eat together. A street performer and a family. Strangers 30 minutes ago, friends now. Mia tells everyone about the puppy. She tells them it was the most beautiful puppy in Florida. Sam says he did not even see a puppy. He was looking at his phone. Everyone laughs, even Sam. Later that evening, back at the hotel, the family talks about the day. They learned something important today. Hold hands in a crowd. Always, even teenagers. Sam says he is too old to hold hands. Mom holds his hand anyway. That evening, Mia draws a picture. It is a golden puppy. Next to the puppy is a balloon dog. She puts the picture on the hotel desk. She falls asleep very quickly. It was a big day, but it was a good day. Because at the end of every big day, the most important thing is being together.
Are we nearly there? I can smell the food from here. Mom, can I get the pulled pork? It looks amazing. I am just checking something. 1 second. Where did Mia go? I was right here. I didn't see anything. I'll check over by the stage. MIA! Mia! She has to be here somewhere. The festival is not that big. I'll go left, you go right. Mia, it's Sam. Where are you? She knows not to talk to strangers, right? She will be okay. She is smart. I know. I'm sorry I was on my phone. There is nothing over there. Wait, the information tent. Does this festival have one? Yes, near the entrance. I saw the sign. Come on. MIA! Oh, thank goodness. Mia, you scared me. I was actually scared. Don't tell anyone. Is that a balloon dog? Can I have one? Thank you for looking after her. Really. Mom, I'll hold Mia's hand. I don't mind. Mia, hold my hand, okay? Don't let go. I know I'm too cool for this. I don't care right now.
Dad, I can smell ice cream. Look at that. What is that? Can I have lemonade? Please. Mom, look. A puppy. Mom, a puppy. A real puppy. It is so fluffy. Can I pet it? Can I? Just 1 second. I just want to see it. Oh, where did it go? Mom, where is everyone? I don't know where I am. I'm okay. I'm not going to cry. Hello, I'm Mia. I'm 6. My family is here. I just can't find them. I don't know. I was looking at a puppy, and then everyone was gone. It was very fluffy, golden color. I'm not lost. I just don't know where my family is. Is that different? Okay, maybe I am a little lost. Are you a real magician? Can you do a trick? Oh, wow. How did you do that? Yes, please. A dog. Can you make a dog, like the puppy I saw? It looks just like it. Marco, I can hear my name. That is a speaker. That means they are looking for me. Can we go to the help sign now? Mom, Dad, Sam. I was not crying. My eyes were just wet. I found a magician. His name is Marco. He made me a balloon dog. It looks like the real puppy. But this one will not run away. Marco, do you want barbecue? Dad is buying. I want to show you my balloon dog. I'm going to draw a picture of it tonight. Can we come back tomorrow?
We are here. We are finally here. Tom, look at all this food. Mia, hold my hand, please. It is very busy. Oh wait, my purse. Just 1 second. MIA? Mia. She was right here. I let go for 1 second. Tom, Tom, Mia is gone. Stay calm, stay calm. She cannot be far. Sam, Sam, come here. Mia is missing. Mia, Mia, sweetheart. Excuse me, have you seen a little girl? She is 6. She has brown hair. She is wearing a yellow dress. Nothing. Nobody saw her. Tom, she has been gone for 10 minutes. I know. Keep looking. She knows to stay in one place if she is lost. We practice this. Excuse me, does this festival have a lost and found? Or an information point? Yes. The help tent, near the entrance. Tom, the help tent. Sam, come this way. Maya, baby. Oh, thank goodness. Oh my goodness. Come here. You're okay. You're safe. Oh, Mia, I was so scared. Don't ever walk away without telling me. Okay? Promise me. I promise I will not let go again. You have a balloon dog? Sir, thank you. Thank you so much. You looked after my daughter. Please, let us buy you something to eat. You are very kind. Mia, what do you say to Marco? Sam, hold your sister's hand, please, for the rest of the day.
Florida, we made it. Sam, put the phone away. Look at this place. Mia, what do you want to eat first? You can choose. I'm going to try the barbecue. Look at that. That looks incredible. Linda, where is Mia? What do you mean? She was right there. Okay, do not panic. She is here somewhere. Maya Carter. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Did you see a small girl? Yellow dress, brown hair, 6 years old. No? Thank you. Sorry to bother you. She has to be close. She cannot walk very fast. This crowd is too big. I cannot see anything. Sam, go that way. Check near the stage and the ice cream stand. Linda, check the food stalls on the left. I'll find a festival worker. They will have a radio. Excuse me, my daughter is missing. Can you make an announcement, please? Mia Carter, 6 years old, yellow dress. Please go to the help tent. Yes, that is it. Mia Carter. Thank you so much. Linda, the announcement is going out. Come to the help tent. MIA. Oh, there she is. Tom's voice breaks a little. Hey, come here, you're okay. Dad's here. Who is this? Did this man look after you? Marco? Thank you, Marco. You are a good man. Please sit with us. We are buying food for everyone. Mia, next time you want to look at a puppy, you tell me first. Okay? Sam, I don't want to see that phone again today. Deal?
Hey, hello there. What is your name? That is a nice name. My name is Marco. Are you okay? You look a little lost. It is okay. Don't worry. I will help you. I am a street performer. I do magic tricks and balloon animals. Would you like to see a trick? Watch this. Ta-da! Now, what happened? A puppy. I see. You were following a puppy and then the crowd moved. That happens a lot here. Do not worry. Your family is here somewhere. They are looking for you right now, I promise. Can you remember what your mum and dad look like? Good. That is very helpful. Now, would you like a balloon animal while we wait? What animal? A dog. Of course. Good choice. There. One balloon dog. Just like your puppy. Except this one will not run away. I heard your name. Did you hear that? That is the festival speaker. Your family asked them to call your name. Come with me. There is a help tent near the entrance. Your family will go there. Here we are. You sit here. I will wait with you. Hello. Are you the Carter family? I found this young lady near the stage area. She was very brave. She told me about a very fluffy golden puppy. It sounds like a very good puppy. She is wonderful. You have a wonderful daughter. Of course. I would love some barbecue. Mia, it was very nice to meet you. You were very brave today. And here, Keep the balloon dog. So you remember today. Come back and see my show sometime. I am here every weekend.
Hello, welcome to the Sunshine Food Festival. Sorry, your daughter is missing? Okay, do not worry, we have a system for this. What is her name? How old is she? What is she wearing? Mia Carter. 6 years old. Yellow dress. Got it. I will make an announcement right now. Attention, please. Attention, we are looking for a little girl. Her name is Mia. She is 6 years old. She is wearing a yellow dress. Mia, please go to the help tent near the main entrance. Your family is waiting for you. Done. The help tent is just over there. Go and wait. Someone will bring her to you. She will be fine. This happens more than you think. We find them every time.